So we've talked about experience, we've talked about security, and for the next few minutes, before we wrap up, we're going to talk about choice. Obviously, in our industry, this is a little bit of a buzzword. In fact, there's a lot of companies that say, we support choice, so long as it's choosing between one of the things that we want to sell you. At Citrix, of course, we understand how important flexibility is, especially as your infrastructure just changes year to year. And we recognize that you need the flexibility to choose really how and where you run your workloads, based on factors like performance and cost and others. And of course, choice across device in the enterprise. So we're going to spend the next few minutes digging into this and showing you some of the new solutions that we built to really help you make this a reality. And one partner that we're working very closely with here, of course, is Google. And so it's my pleasure to welcome to the stage Rob Enslin, President of Google Cloud.
Good morning, David. Good morning.
How are you? Good to see you.
It's good to be here. Thank you.
Welcome to the new job, and thanks for making this the very first customer conference that you attend.
Absolutely. It's a pleasure to be here at Synergy. Thank you.
Awesome. So, hey, let's jump right in. Obviously, everybody in the world is familiar with Google, right? And everybody is familiar with Google Cloud. But I'm not sure everybody really understands the true scope and scale. So how should people be thinking about Google Cloud these days?
Think about Google Cloud as big. We are seeing momentum across multiple industries and sectors. If you just look at the media and entertainment industry, you'll see 9 out of the top 10 companies use Google Cloud, 7 out of the top 10 retail companies, 6 out of the top 10 energy and utility companies. And we're seeing the same level of momentum in many more industries and enterprises. And it's an exciting time for us at Google, especially with some of the announcements we're going to make today with Citrix as well. So for many of you know, I've recently just joined Google, and I can say from a fresh perspective, the technology is incredible. It's world-class infrastructure, and it is truly an amazing engineering company. And for those undergoing digital transformation, I believe Google can offer you an amazing partnership.
So just on that same topic, a lot of customers are choosing Google Cloud these days. Talk to us about what's different.
Yeah, when we talk to the world's enterprises about digital transformation, they talk about security, reliability, hybrid, AI, ML, smart analytics, and a few other things. But if you look at Google's core competencies, it puts us in a unique position to help solve these problems, and often in partnership with leaders like yourselves at Citrix. If I break it down into a few categories, security and reliability, Google has this amazing, immense data center networks that are around the world, under ocean sea cables that connect the data, and it's highly, highly available. And you can look at any of the Gartner or Crystallized Technologies results to see that. The other thing which is also very unique with Google Cloud is the focus on hybrid and multi-cloud. So with Anthos, we truly let your applications run unmodified in an on-premise world or on any public cloud. And I would say with AI and ML, Google's recognized as one of the leaders with artificial intelligence and machine learning. If you look at smart analytics and big cloud, what we can do with massive amounts of data, and the platforms that we bring from other areas of Google, like Maps, Assistants, Voice, Chrome, Android, all into the picture, truly makes Google uniquely ready to help customers with digital transformation.
Great stuff. So we've been partners for a long time. Tell me why that's important for Google.
Well, first I want to recognize the tremendous success Citrix has had in simplifying IT's everyday workplace and helping people become more productive and efficient in their jobs. Partnering with Citrix means we can bring these capabilities to Google Cloud, our customers, and embed Google's scale, infrastructure, and compute power in Citrix services.
So fun fact, actually, Citrix Intelligent Traffic Management is built on GCP.
Yep.
So we're both a partner as well as a customer of Google Cloud. So we're stepping up our partnership, though, into hyperdrive because we've seen the volume of customers that are really looking to move their Citrix apps and desktop workloads to Google Cloud. So along with a deeper integration that we've been working on across the G Suite portfolio, and of course Chrome and Android devices, we want to extend that actually by really taking it to another level, a superior experience together. So that's why today I'm excited to announce that Citrix Workspace with machine creation services for automated VM provisioning on Google Cloud Platform is available on demand today. And it's going to be rolled out to everybody by the third quarter of 2019. So it's a key technology for scaling virtual apps and desktops in the cloud.
Yeah, so I'm delighted we can announce these new services today. Citrix is the leader in unified digital workspaces, and bringing these solutions to Google Cloud has been a priority for us at Google. And this is, for the most important part, is a big win for our customers, our joint customers.
Yeah, in fact, we're seeing a lot of joint customers actually already signing up. We've got one of the world's largest renewable energy companies moving their Citrix apps and desktop workloads to Google Cloud right now. So Rob, as we think about looking a little bit more long-term, maybe you can talk for a minute about what you're most excited about for Google Cloud, and how do partnerships like the one that we have between Citrix and Google really help drive that?
Yes, I couldn't be more excited about the future for Google Cloud. Google Cloud is taking a new approach to enterprise businesses. Our goal is to be the trusted enterprise cloud partner for Fortune 5,000 companies as they transition to the cloud. We also want to be the easiest cloud to do business with, investing massively in more sales and distribution channels to meet customer demand, working on a number of operational improvements around pricing and contracting that'll make it easier for us to do business with, working with our partners in an open source ecosystem environment, doing much more technology partnerships to open that up, introducing a new program for customer success that'll focus on how we convert them from user to advocacy throughout the customer lifecycle. And our partnership with Citrix and the launch of Workspace on Google Cloud is just another big step forward in that journey. And so we look forward to working with you, David, and even more on behalf of all of your customers and ours.
Rob, thank you so much for being here with us. And as we work with all of our customers on digital transformation, we want to partner with the best, and that's Google Cloud. So I'm looking forward to the future of this partnership. And again, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you for having us. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Let's bring PJ back out to cover all the great announcements we're making with Google now.